Hello everyone, I have a weather book again today. This one is called Who Cares About the Weather? Now, who do you think are some people that might care about the weather? Just name a few. Be loud and proud so I can hear you. Who do you think might care about the weather? What about people who work outside? They probably care, right? They want to know what kind of clothes to wear, because if it's raining you need to wear a raincoat and maybe some boots. If it's hot you want to wear maybe a tank top and some shorts, right? So they might care. What can you tell me about this picture you see on the front? What do you think is happening in that picture? I don't know if you can see it on the video, but it's raining, and this little boy, he's got his rain jacket on, right? That's what you're supposed to wear in the rain. Who can tell me the color of that rain jacket? What color is that? It is absolutely not orange, and it is not purple or blue or green or black. How about yellow or amarillo? Okay, so who cares about the weather? Well, farmers care. Why do you think farmers would care? Well, obviously they're going to want to know when it rains, because if it rains they won't have to water their crops. Remember what crops are? Yeah, they want to be able to make sure that their plants and their crops have enough water. Why else do you think farmers might care about the weather? Those are some very good reasons. Airplane pilots care about the weather. Does anybody have mommies and daddies that fly an airplane or a jet in the military maybe? Why do you think they might care about the weather? Well, they need to be able to see to fly their airplane, right? So they're going to care about the weather. They're going to care if it's raining. They're going to care if it's cloudy. They got to be able to see to fly their airplane, right? Why else do you think airplane pilots might care? Give me one reason. Loud and proud so I can hear you. Maybe you're right. Who knows? Sailors always care about the weather. Why do you think they care? They're on a sailboat on the ocean. Why would they care? Well, certainly if you're sailing, you don't want it to rain on you because you don't have anywhere to go to get out of the rain. And if they're trying to navigate, which kind of means to travel, if they're trying to do that, then they're going to want it to be sunny so they can see the stars. Or if they're at night, they're not going to want it to be cloudy so they can see the stars, so they can use it to navigate. Why else do you think sailors might care about the weather? Maybe they're fishing. It would affect how they fish, right? Let's see, who else? Oh, athletes. Athletes care about the weather. What are they doing in this picture that they might care? Well, obviously, if they're running, they don't want it to rain, right? Who wants to run in the rain? Yuck. He's already running in the snow. That's bad enough. But these kids right here, they're playing soccer. Nobody wants it to rain during that. Travelers care, right? If you're traveling, you don't want bad weather, you want good weather, right? Oh, and then this one right here, construction crews or repair crews, they care. It's a lot easier to build in sunny weather than it would be in rainy weather, right? Oh, you care, and I definitely care about the weather. I always want it to be sunny because it's my favorite weather. If it's sunny, we can all go and play outside. Oh, what kind of weather is it right here? It's lightning, right? So that must be a thunderstorm. It says lightning is frightening. Does lightning scare you? I'm one of those crazy people, and I actually like lightning. I think it's really pretty. But lightning is pretty scary. Rainbows are a beautiful sight. Remember, tell me the colors that are in the rainbow. First one is red, then orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, right? Hot days are for swimming. Do you go swimming when it's hot outside? I would love to. Freezing cold days are for ice skating. I don't know if you guys have ever been ice skating, but I am terrible at it. I am not good at all. I do not have good balance. Too much rain and there are floods. Remember, we have that book about floods, what happens when it floods and what causes floods. So we don't want too much rain. But if we have too little rain, it dries out the crops, right? And we definitely don't want that. If the crops dry out, we're not going to have any food to eat. Everybody cares about the weather, right? So what weather is happening in this picture? It kind of looks like it might be fall. Yeah, it kind of looks kind of cold, cool or crisp because they're wearing long sleeves and some jackets. What about this weather right here? What's this weather? Looks rainy and wet to me. And then this weather, windy. And this weather right here, it might be hard for you guys to see on the video, but this weather is cold. It's got lots of snow and ice. So who cares about the weather? Well, just about everybody cares because it makes a difference on how we lead our lives, right? Absolutely. I hope you guys enjoyed my books all about weather. We're wrapping up weather today. Next week is going to be Under the Sea, Miss Mary's favorite next to space. And I'm excited. And I wish we could have been in school doing it, but it's fine. We'll make it work. Okay? I love you guys so, so much. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.